This is what they look like before they are cooked. We'll come back to this later.
And there you have it. The 1 second cook.
That's amazing. I need to try one now. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? You just cooked them in 2 seconds.
Yeah.